Every night, little Bobo the bunny hugged his teddy and looked at the moon before sleeping.
But tonight, something magical shimmered in the moonlight. It was Moon Fairy Leela. Leela whispered, "Bobo, would you like to see the secrets of the night sky?"
In a flash, a shiny bubble wrapped around him and lifted him softly into the air.
Out the window they drifted, rising higher and higher into the sparkling night. The clouds felt like fluffy pillows, and Leela flew beside him like a glowing guide.
Then came the great crescent moon, glowing with a warm, big smile. Then came the great crescent moon, glowing with a warm, big smile.
"Would you like a ride?" the moon asked, shaping a magical silver moonslide. Bobo zoomed down the moonslide, giggling and holding his teddy tight. They landed on a cloud playground where stars swung and the moon made a seesaw.
They bounced on a cloud trampoline, so soft it felt like bouncing on cotton candy.
The stars even gave Bobo a tiny glowing cookie that tasted like warm starlight. But soon, Leela whispered, "It's bedtime now, little bunny." But soon, Leela whispered, "It's bedtime now, little bunny." The bubble carried Bobo gently home, back into his cozy moonlit room. Leela tucked him in, waved goodbye, and Bobo drifted into the sweetest dream ever.